Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss how you can create powerful dashboard with the help of Power BI and how you can analyze your data. So this is the dashboard that I have created and this is the data. You can see there are so many rows in this data and so many columns in this data. So how we can get the insights of this data using Power BI and how we can create a dashboard using Power BI I will discuss in this lecture. So as you can see there are uh, different type of, for example, I have created different type of charts, different type of visualizations I have created. So if I click on furniture, you can see the total sale is this one. If I click on office supply, you can see, if I click on office supply, you can see the total sale is this one. If I click on technology, you can see total sale is this one, profit is this one. Similarly, if I click on particular country, you can find the total sales technology wise. And if I move the cursor to any of the country, for example, let's select China, let's select India, you can see the you can see country India in the category technology has a sales of this one and total sale of this one. And you can see a different type of values here. Even you can see the different type of charts here, and profit by country and category, sales by country and category, and even you can see the maps on my dashboard for analyzing the data. So this all we will create using Power BI in this lecture. So let's first of all understand our data, and you can see in my data there are different columns like row ID, order date, ship mode, and customer ID, customer name, segment, city, state, country, postal code, market, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit, shipping cost, order priority. So there are so many columns that we need to analyze using Power BI, and I have a large number of rows in my data set. So first of all, we will upload this data into our Power BI desktop. So go to the Power BI. So when you go to the Power BI, and you can see on your screen there is one option, get data. So just click on get data, and as my data is in CSV format, so just click on text oblique CSV, and it will ask you to upload your data. So this is my data, so just double click here, and it will take some time for uploading the data. So just wait while the data is being uploaded. So data is being uploaded, and it gives you the preview of the data. So in the preview you can see the number of rows. You can either see the entire data set, or you can see the particular number of rows, and just click on load data. If your data is not in the correct format, then you need to transform the data. So first my data is in the correct format, so just I will load this data. So click on load data. So it will take some time for loading. So just wait while data is being loaded, and it is creating connection is in model, and now it is loading the data to my model. So my data is of a large size, so it will take some time for loading the data into the Power BI desktop. So just wait. So you can see the success message, these many rows have been loaded into my data. So how you are sure that your data is loaded? As you can see, there are three parts: filters, visualization, and data. and you can see the data in the right side. So data has been successfully uploaded into my data set. So you can see the data in your Power BI. So data has been successfully uploaded. We will visualize our data. So first of all, I will create these two KPIs. One is for total sales and another one is for profit. So go to the Power BI desktop, and in the visualization section you can see the different type of charts that you can use on the Power BI desktop. So just select this KPI. So when you select this KPI field, so you can see a this type of figure. So here you will be able to see three options. One is build, one is for getting the data, so one is for adding the data to your visual, and second one is for uh, format the visual. So here in the value section, and you can also see the data part. So in the value part, just click on the sales, and in the trend axis, just click on the category. So where is the category? So just click on the category, and you can see the KPA. So let's now format this type of chart. So go to the format your visual. So when you click on format visual, you will be able to see different type of options with the help of which you can visualize your with the help of which you can format your chart. So go to the general, and here go to the title, and you can change it. So you can change its sales, or you can write any text you want. So total sales, and text color, let's say blue, and background is, let's say, this one. And you can centralize this, and you can increase the font. So it's very easy. And similarly you can change the subtitle divider if you have. And if you want to change the background, so just click on the effects, and here change the background. So this way you can change the background of the chart. For example, this is the my background, and you can also enable visual border and shadow, and then you can resize the chart. So similarly I will create another KPI. So just click on KPI, and again select the fields. So this time select a profit, this time select profit, and in the trend axis just select category, just select category. And if you want to apply the same formatting of this chart to this one, just click on format painter and apply this formatting to this chart. And then you can also change the visualization. You can change the title. For example, total profit, so you can decrease its font. You can change the text color, you can change the background, and very easy to format this chart. And there are so many options that you can try, and you can change the background color as well. So this way you can create the KPIs. So this is the my dashboard. So far I have created this total sales and profit, and next now I will create select bar chart, as you can see on the dashboard. So I will not waste my time in the formatting. So I my important point is to discuss only the valid options that you can use in your Power BI desktop. You can try the different options as well. You can try the visualization as well. Now I will create this select bar chart that will show the sales by country and category. As you can see, so it is showing countries on the vertical side and sales on the x-axis, and it is also showing the sales by category, for example furniture, or for example by office supply, and or for example by technology. So there are three categories in my data, so it is showing the sales by category. So I will create this type of chart. So it is a select bar chart. So let's create this select bar chart. So for that you can see this type of options. So just click on this select bar chart. So when you click on select bar chart, you can see this. So just to resize it. So here I will add data from the data. So in the y-axis just select country, and in the x-axis select sales, and in the legends select category. So you can see the chart has been created. Select bar chart has been created, which will show the sales by country and category. Now let's format our chart. So I will decrease its size. I will decrease its size, and I will decrease the size of this, and I will select this, and you can visualize your chart. You can format the visualization. For example, the y-axis you can change the font, okay, and you can change the color. You can see the color of the countries has been changed. You can increase the font, let's say. So this way you can format the y-axis. Similarly you can format the x-axis. You can format its, you can format the color. You can try this. So you can change the title. You can format the title actually. So you can also format the legend. So there are so many options that you can try. You can also own the data labels, and you can change the bar colors. For example, furniture bar color you can set to pink. Office supply color is blue. Technology color is, for example, orange. So you can try these options, and go to the journal, and in the title you can change the title as well. So sales by country, you can change the heading. You can increase the font, or even you can change the font size. You can change the text color. You can change the background color. So it's very easy. We'll centralize the title of this graph, and now go to the effects and change the background color. So let's change the background color. Okay, so you can change the color according to your choice. Okay, so it's fine now. And now go to our sales dashboard, and you can see the next chart is profit by country and category. So now we will create this chart. So again go to the and now this time I will create a select a column chart, and now in the x-axis add country, and in the y-axis add profit, and legend is category. And you can see the chart, and then you can format this chart. So let's format this chart and go to the journal, and let's change the title, and centralized blue, and background is let's say this one, and I will change the text color to white for visibility. And you can also drag this line for seeing the profit by country and category. And the main point is that whenever you point your cursor on any part, for example country China, and category is furniture, and profit is this one, as you can see. And similarly you can select anything. For example, if you select technology, it will highlight the technology part. If you select office supplies, and you can see the total sales and total profit, and you can see the office supply is selected in every chart. So if you select furniture, you can see the total sale is this one, total profit is this one. So this way you can format the chart. You can create multiple charts on your dashboards. It's very easy to create multiple charts. You can also resize the chart. Okay, so it's very easy. So if you want to see the profit by, let's say, instead of a country, I want to see the profit by, let's say, a region. So where is a region? Yeah, so I will drag it region here in the x-axis, and you can see the different regions and the profits by the regions. So it's very easy to create multiple types of charts. And now I will change the background color of the chart. So this is the background color, and I will change the transparency. So this way you can create a multiple charts, multiple type of visualizations on your dashboard. Next we will create this. This is the multi-row card, and we can see the sales, quantity, profit, discount, and category in this multi-row card. So how we can create this? So let's see. So go to the dashboard, and now go to the visualizations, and here you will be able to find a multi-row card. Yes, there is it. So click on multi-row card, and drag it here, and drag it here. Okay, and now uh, go to here fields, and add the data fields. So go to the data, and first of all let's add let's say I want to add subcategory. So these are my subcategories, and sales. So next is let's say we add quantity, profit, and discount. So profit and discount. So this way you can add many items. So you can see this is the multi-row card, and I am able to see each and every information regarding sales, quantity, profit and discount for each of the subcategory. So see how easy it is to create this multi-row card. And similarly you can add shipping cost as well. So you can create as many items you want in your multi-row card, and you can format this. So go to the visualization, and here values, you can decrease the font, you can change the color, and similarly for category labels you can change the color, and you can decrease the fonts. Okay, and for you can also change the color for the cards. So let's add this color, black color. You can also change the style, so this way you can apply the border to top and bottom, even to the left and to the right, and you can change the outline color of the border. So you can decrease the outline weight, you can change the background color. So how easy it is to, so you can change the background color as well, and you can also decrease the padding. So it's very easy. So it's very easy to find the information regarding each subcategory. So then go to the visualizations, journal, and in the effects you can change the background color also. So you can change the color. So for each of the subcategories you can see all my graphs are being updated. You can see that my dashboard is being updated for each of the subcategory. So it's very easy. I can check each category, each subcategory in this multi-row card easily. So you can apply the color which you want. So it's very easy to create a multi-row card as well. Now we will create this type of chart, donut chart, which will show the sales by region. So let's create, and this time go to the charts and click on donut chart. Click on the blank space, and now click on the donut chart, and drag it here. So now add some fields. So for legend I will add the region, and for values I will add the sale. So you can see the donut chart, and you can change the name. For example, you can change sales, so you can see the sales by region, and similarly for region you can change the field, and go to the visualization, and you can either turn on the legend or off the legend, and you can either turn on or off this. So detailed label I have set off. go to the journal effects and the background, let's say this one, and title color is white. So this way you can change its setting. Even you can use the divider, even you can set the spacing. There are so many options that you can try. Even you can change the this heading color, background color of the heading you can change. And the main part is that whenever you click on any portion of the donut, for example, you can, if you move your cursor here, you can see the there is a sales of 22% in the central region, sale of 12% in the south region, north region there is a sale of 9.87%. So it's very useful, and you can select any part, and you can select any part and you can see all my charts are being changed dynamically. So it's very easy, and now my dashboard is working perfectly. Charts, so there are two maps, one is showing the profit by region and another is showing the sales by country. So just go to the Power BI dashboard, and so first of all what I will do, I will create some space for the maps. So let's resize all these. So I am adjusting the size of these. And now you can see there is some space in my canvas, so now I can create a map. So just click on the map. So this is the map that I will create, and in the map, in the location, what I'm gonna do, I am going to add a country. So country I am going to add in the location, and in the bubble size I am going to add sales. So just add country here, and here in the bubble size just add the sales, and increase the size, and you can apply the same formatting to this chart, and you can see the chart has been created, and you can zoom the chart, and you can also zoom in, zoom out the chart, and click on go to any bubble, and you will be able to see the sales of that particular country, as you can see. So it's very easy to create a map chart, and again you can visualize your chart. You can change the map settings, you can you can change the map setting, you can change the style of the map. For example, it's Arial, or it's dark, or it's light, or grayscale. And you can also change the bubble setting. You can decrease the size of the bubble, you can increase the size of the bubble, you can change the color of the bubble. For example, color of the bubble is black, and if you want to give different bubble to different countries, you can give different color to different countries. So it's very easy to create a. Now we will create a last map, a profit by region. So go to the dashboard and just click anywhere and click on the map, So this is the map, and in the location just add a region. The location add region, and in the bubble size just add profit, and you can apply the same formatting of previous map to this map as well. So this way you can create multiple maps. So we have created a dashboard, and you can see there are so many visualizations that you can try, and it's not possible to cover all the visualization in one lecture, and there are so many fields that I have not tried in my data. You can try and you can create different type of visualization. You can create a beautiful looking dashboard for analyzing the data. It's very helpful. So for example, see, if I click on a particular region and it is showing me that region only. So if I click, for example, it's north, and it is showing me, it is changing in the map, it is changing in the here, everywhere the value is being changed. So it's very helpful for creating a dashboard. So this way you can create a multiple charts on a particular dashboard. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.